Homemade dishes, a flavor of comfort and tradition. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's as cozy and comforting as the concept it represents. Homemade dishes. Let's dive into what this phrase means and why it's so special. When we say homemade dishes, we're referring to meals that are prepared and cooked at home rather than bought from a restaurant or store. The key here is the personal touch and care that goes into these meals. They are often made from fresh, whole ingredients and are typically thought to be healthier and more nourishing than pre-packaged or fast food. Homemade dishes often hold a special place in people's hearts because they are associated with family traditions and cultural heritage. Every culture has its own set of beloved homemade recipes passed down through generations. These dishes are not just about sustenance but also about preserving family history and celebrating cultural identity. Let's compare. Restaurant meals might offer convenience and a wide variety, but homemade dishes offer comfort, customization, and a sense of accomplishment. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients, adjust flavors to your preference, and create a meal that has a special meaning or memory attached to it. Discussing homemade dishes in English often involves descriptive adjectives like hearty, comforting, traditional, or nourishing. These words not only describe the food itself but also evoke the feelings and memories associated with these meals. Understanding these terms can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express more nuanced emotions and experiences. We hope this exploration of homemade dishes has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also warmed your heart. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the cultures, traditions, and emotions they represent. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.